Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Lock Shop here in beautiful northern Alberta, where the rain has receded and we're no longer flooding. So it's been a busy couple weeks there. A little while back, we had a lot of excess water rolling around, guys, let me tell you. But that being said, I have this fantastic Securit Euro Cylinder that none other than Bill Bacardi himself sent to me. Thank you, Bill. I'm having a lot of fun with those other locks and the disc detainers you sent me, man. I can't thank you enough. This thing works beautifully. Don't know if this is stock or if it's been modified. Bill didn't have it tagged as a challenge lock, so we're gonna assume it's stock for the better part. And anyway, I'm going to use this Sparrows offset DeForest diamond hybrid type of thing, where it's a little thin around the bend there. We're going to hope that's going to allow us to get around some of this paracentric warding here. So we're going to go right to the back and see if I can't find something back there. Oh, number 6 gave me a good click. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. 3 gave me a click. 2. And it's number 1 gave me a click and a slight advance on the core, picking counterclockwise. Go back to the back of the stack here. That was number 6 to give me a click. I think that. Oh, ooh, nice false set. Wow, look at that. Now we got to find which one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one is going to be the one that's going to give us a bit of feedback? And we'll lighten up on the tension here. Got a nice false set going. Nothing there. Bounce through the stack here and just see if I can't find something with a bit of feedback. So whatever pin that is has got me stuck. Wow, what a false set I got going on here. This is awesome. Oh, this one here gave me a little bit of a, that looks, was number 3. Man, what a beautiful false set. If I could just find something with a bit of feedback, would be all kinds of awesome. Well, that looks like it's it right there. Not sure what it is, but oh. Lost some of my false set, but so let's try and find another one. This is getting exciting. I love these deep false sets like that. Oh, we're open. Woohoo! Look at that. Well, guys, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We're gonna stick this, keep this in frame, and we're gonna try and gut this puppy. Wow, that's something else. I'm curious as to see what's in this. What's in this? If I can get the clip off, it would be fantastic. There we go. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here. Make sure I keep this in frame. Now, what do we got for a follower? Let's use one of these. Full 90 degrees. Should I shim it? Probably should. But this might be a stock jobby. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got. Number one. Oh, let's move this back here so it's in frame. Oh, got a little. Holy crap, would you look at these missiles for this number 1 and 2. This is number 3. What do we got? Holy shit, another one. And another one. All of these, I'm not quite sure what to call these guys. But look at that. Holy crap and snapping tiddlywinks, Dixie cups and arseholes. That is something else. I'll get you a close up here now in a second. Working behind the camera here, guys, so you gotta forgive me. What do we got in number 1? Wow. This is number 1. And the spring. Look at the springs on this. I don't think I'm going to have enough room in my pinning block. I just use this one. Another one. It's like a barrel type pin. A spring. This is number 3. Spool. And the spring. Do this from the back here now. What the? A pin in pin. Would you take a look at this? Holy moly. Batman. Spring. That doesn't want to come out. Come on. Oh, another spring. That's the spring for the inside, for the small pin. Holy crap. Bill, this was totally unexpected for almost like a double-sided T-pin in that one. Oh, spring doesn't want to come out of there. No, I'm just stretching it. That one's going to have to stay. And another T-pin. I don't know why the other spring will come out. It's jammed in there. How is it? Well, guys, I got to tell you, this is unexpected to see that. No, it won't come out. So, yeah, we got a spring jammed in there. We can't get out, and it doesn't want to come out. I don't see any modifications. Oh, it looks pretty stock. No, not threaded or anything like that. But man, take a look at those pins. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Would you take a look at that? We've got this barrel right here. I mean, it's a nice pin. Then all the key pins are just missile shaped. I'm not sure what to call them, but man, are they something else. Sharp edges. No wonder I was getting a deep falset. But this pin and pin at the end, if you can see here, that is something else. And the spring inside of it, spring inside the spring, the two sizes. This is a bit of an accomplishment for picking for me, Bill. Listen, I gotta thank you very much. Man, that's something else. Oh, you take a look at those. Let's see if you can focus on it a little better. There we go. What a beautiful, like, oh, well, this has been fun. I wasn't expecting this. Bill, thank you very much for the Euro Cylinder, my friend. I am speechless and thankful. I had a lot of fun picking this. This was great. I played with it a couple times, didn't have any success, but I've done 2 or 3 takes tonight attempting it, but it wasn't too bad. A little unexpected. When it opened, didn't know what to expect, and as you can see, there's no modifications or anything. So, oh, a little too bright. So, yeah, man, a lot of fun. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it very much, and that gave me a lot of fun. You take care, and peace out, peace and love be with you, and may your camel always stand downwind. Take care.